A warm good morning to all the brilliant stars of Sri Gokulam Public School. This is Nidam, your English faculty, and we are moving to yet another English online class. So, in the last class we were discussing about articles. We said that articles are words that are used before nouns and they help us to understand whether we are referring to the noun specifically or generally. Specifically means particularly, or whether we are speaking about it in a general manner. And we also said that articles are divided into two types, that is indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an, and in the last class a detailed explanation and the uses of a and an were given. In today's class we are going to speak about the definite article, which is the. It is called as the definite article because, as the name suggests, it is speaking about something in particular, something which is definite. The definite article is used to refer to a particular noun or when we are talking about something again after having mentioned it once before. Two situations where we are using definite article is one, when we are speaking about a particular noun. Particularly if we are speaking about a noun, we will use the word the article the. And when once we have mentioned it, and we want to refer to it again and again. Like for example, I saw a cat on the road. Now first time you are speaking about the cat, so you will say a cat. Now you want to give more details about that cat. So what will you say? The cat was playing with its tail, or the cat was drinking milk. The cat was very fluffy. So next time when you refer to that cat, we will use the definite article the. Now let us get into the more different uses of the definite article the. When do we use the definite article the? The should be used before all these nouns. Okay, so let us go and learn it one by one. When we talk about a particular thing or person, which I already explained now, my mother met the principal today. We use the with the names of mountain ranges, oceans, seas, rivers, gulfs, bays and deserts. So with all these proper nouns, we use the. Mountain ranges, when we are speaking about a particular mountain, we do not use the. We use for mountain ranges. What do you mean by mountain ranges? Ranges means a group of mountains like the Himalayas. Okay, then we are speaking about oceans, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, like that. Then seas, the Caspian Sea, Red Sea, Brahmaputra, etc., etc. Again, when we are speaking about monuments, historical monuments, the names of theaters, stadiums, auditoriums. So here many examples are given: Victoria Memorial, Prithvi Theatre. Can you think about some examples of monuments in India? Yes, we have got the Red Fort, which is a historical monument. Theatre. There are many theatres in and around Thrissur. You can say the Ragam Theatre, which is in Thrissur. Then stadiums. We have got the Nehru Stadium in Ernakulam. Then auditoriums. Many auditoriums in and around your place where you have to use the word the over there. Then we use the with certain books and newspapers. What kinds of books? The names of books when you are mentioning, and especially when you are speaking about holy books, the Quran, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, it has always the has to be used over there. Before newspapers also, the Hindustan Times, the Deccan Chronicle, the Times of India. So before newspapers also we have to use, compulsorily we have to use the word the. Then with things that are only of their kind, very unique things. Unique things means what? Of that kind only one will be there. For example, the sun. You cannot find another sun. There is only one sun in the entire world. So the sun, the moon, the earth, the stars, okay, as a general. Then with names of trains also you have to use the. Examples are given here: the Shatabdi Express, the Amritsar Mail, etc. Then with superlative degree of adjective. Superlative degree, Ramya ma'am has taught you what superlative degrees of adjectives are. Always superlative degrees of adjectives, you have to use the before superlative. The darkest, the tallest, the shortest, the highest, the lowest, etc. The is also used before ordinal numbers. What do you mean by ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers means like the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These are called as ordinal numbers. So before ordinal numbers also we have to use the first, the fourth, etc. And last, the is also used before proper nouns when we are talking about family or a people of nation. When we are speaking about family names like the Guptas, the Ambanis, etc. When we are using it, we use the. Again, when we are speaking about a people of nation, okay, nationalities, when we are speaking about the English ruled India for so many years, the Portuguese, the British, okay, like that. When we are speaking about nationalities also we use the before the nationality. Then the next section that we are moving to is at what situations we will not use articles at all. Okay, at certain situations we do not use any articles. So we have learned when to use a, we have learned when to use an, we have learned when to use the. Now we are going to learn when we are not going to use any of these articles. A, an or the should not be used. Okay, so we do not use an article with the names of days, months, festivals and seasons. Very clear. Days, months, festivals and seasons. On Saturday, we do not say on a Saturday or on the Saturday. It is on Saturday. Then we will visit the botanic gardens in the month of February. Not the February or a February. No articles should be used over there. Before meals, when we are speaking about any meal time, breakfast, I had egg for breakfast. For the breakfast is wrong. I had rice and sambar for lunch. So similar way. Before languages and subjects also we do not use any articles. Manik is studying French along with science, English and mathematics in school. Okay, so similar way, before subjects, before languages we do not use any articles. We also do not use articles before names of games, like the games that you are playing: basketball, tennis, football, cricket. Before these games also we do not use articles. Then articles are also not used before abstract nouns. We have studied what abstract nouns are. So before abstract nouns like darkness, kindness, freedom, friendship, we do not use abstract nouns. Articles are also not used before plural nouns when they are representing an entire class. Okay, when we are taking plural nouns in the common form. For example, houses. When we are saying houses have become very expensive, it means that we are speaking about the entire houses in the world. So when we take that as representing the entire class or a species, we do not use the articles. It is also not used before uncountable nouns. Again, we have studied what is countable and uncountable nouns. Before uncountable nouns also we do not use articles. Then we have studied that we are using articles before anything that of unique in kind, like the sun, the moon, the earth, etc. But before the names of planets we do not use articles. So that is one point we have to remember, that even though planets are unique, before the name of planets we do not use articles. Next, let us do an exercise. Exercise B from your textbook. You have to rewrite the sentences using articles. You can write down the answers of this in your notebook. Okay, you can use your notebook and write down the answers. The first one, the answer is, the manager of the Oberoi Grant is my uncle. Why the manager? The manager because we are speaking about a particular person. The Oberoi, again it's names of hotels, so you have to use the over there. Next, before the names of rivers we have to use the, so it is the river Ganga is in India. Again, the Prime Minister of India, because we are speaking about a particular person, will represent the Republic of China. Before names of nations, countries, we have to use the. So it is the Republic of China. Next is the Bajoria School. Again, it's a name of a particular school. So you have to use the Bajoria School is opposite a petrol pump on Boyce Road. A petrol pump meaning one petrol pump. Name of monuments, the Taj Mahal is in the Taj Mahal in Agra is a popular tourist attraction. A popular should be used over there. The wind is blowing gently. Next one, our sports day is on the 4th of May. The again because it is the cardinal used over there. Tappan chopped some firewood with a big axe. One big axe, meaning that meaning is coming over there. He piled the firewood behind his house. The firewood over here because firewood was mentioned in the before sentence. Now we are speaking about a particular firewood. So it is the firewood. So the rest of the exercise you can do it on your own. It's given in your notes also. So copy it down in your notebook. Thank you. So that's all for today. Meet in the next class. Till then, be good children. Thank you.